Will AAA change run-flat tires? If you are curious about whether AAA will change run-flat tires, you are in the right place. Let's break down what you need to know about this service. AAA, or the American Automobile Association, offers roadside assistance for various tire issues. However, when it comes to run-flat tires, the process is a bit different. Run-flat tires are designed to allow you to drive for a limited distance even after a puncture. Typically, you can drive up to 50 miles at reduced speeds. Because of this unique feature, AAA roadside technicians do not usually chain or repair run-flat tires on the spot. Instead, if your run-flat tire is damaged and cannot be safely driven on, AAA will tow your vehicle to an approved repair shop or mechanic. AA's roadside assistance tire service includes a few key services. If you have a spare tire and it is safe to use, they will install it for you. If you do not have a spare or if the tire cannot be safely changed, they will tow your vehicle to a nearby repair facility. They can also reinflate a tire if it is possible to do so. Most vehicles with run-flat tires do not carry a traditional spare tire, which is why towing is often the best option. This means that if you find yourself with a flat run-flat tire, you can expect AAA to provide towing rather than an on-site tire replacement. From the perspective of auto insurance, having AAA roadside assistance can be a great addition to your insurance policy. It offers tire support, towing, and other emergency services that can help reduce out-of-pocket expenses. If you experience tire trouble, including issues with run-flat tires, having this service can make a big difference in your convenience and peace of mind. In summary, while AAA will not typically change run-flat tires roadside, they ensure you are not left stranded. Their service includes towing your vehicle to a professional repair facility where your run-flat tires can be properly handled. This aligns with the overall goal of roadside assistance to minimize inconvenience and unexpected costs related to vehicle breakdowns.